Okay, how you doing, folks? Today, my name is Anthony.Fuller. I'm going to be showing you today the Catalina 313 DBD SCK. All right, so first of all, I want to walk over here. One of the things people like to do is cook outside. So this one has one of the best outside cookers you can get. Really big. Look at that. So you have your sink, you have a nice sized refrigerator, put the snacks there for the kids, place for groceries, nice storage. Also, prep area. You have a pretty nice sized prep area. And then you also get this, I believe it's a Coachmen grill top, okay? And you get a couple of drawers too also. So take a look around here, and it's also covered too. A lot of people like this because if it's raining, you'll be under the cover. So if you want to come check on your food, you're right under the cover. All right, follow me, folks. So you do have a spare tire in the back here, but the reason I came back here is it is pre-wired for if you want to add a backup camera to it. Follow me over here. When we go inside, you're really going to appreciate the room that this trailer has. So if you're also going to be doing cooking or showering, going to the beach and stuff like that, this also has an outside shower. Has two drains, as you can see, one drain right there. Then there's another drain right here. And when we go inside, I'll show you why. One more thing I want to show. Lots of storage space, underbelly. Folks, so this trailer has two awnings. It has an awning on this side and an awning on this side. And easy to operate. Just pop it out like that. Pretty clever. And it has the LED lights under there. Has the LED light strip under here. Come on in. Get some lights going. So this RV has so much space. You're really going to appreciate it. You have your microwave right here. You actually get a hood, 3-burner stove. See, they made this a flat top. They've made it flush with the countertop. So if you're going to be cooking outside, you can have prep area right here. That's what I think of. 2 sinks, one for drying and one for rinsing. And lots of counter space. Then you got all these cabinets. Lots of cabinet space. It's what everyone loves, cabinet space in trailers. And even has a little storage space right there. I think that's like a garbage can spot. Then you have a little pantry. Now if you look at the construction, you can see that they use real screws in here, and it's not the cheap stuff. Over here, you have your entertainment system. You have your Bluetooth stereo, you have your television set, and you have a pretty nice fireplace. The benefit to the fireplace is that it doesn't use propane, it runs off electricity. So if you just want to get cozy here, you can turn it on and it will act as a space heater. So follow me over here. So remember we were outside, I was telling you guys that there were 2 drain points. This is why, because it has a half bath in the kids area or in the bunkhouse area. It's a bunk house. Okay. And then right here, so you can sleep 4 kids in here. Kid up here has a ladder. Put a TV right here, storage for clothes or DVDs or game systems. And it does have, usually comes with the hookups for the gaming systems. This bed folds up. So if you guys wanted to create room for the kids to not bump, run around and stuff like that, and it will latch up there. All these are independent LED lights. So you don't have to use all the lights, but LED lights use very low power. I think that's pretty cool. And you have 2 futons that fold out. So these futons will fold out, be nice and comfy. Follow me. This couch is a jackknife couch. So you can make this into a bed also. For your Uncle Rico or your Uncle Brad, he could sleep out here. or your friends. So then this also makes into a bed. Then you have two storage bins right here. So you can put store stuff right up under there. Follow me. It's the main bedroom. So you have the Jack and Jill doors on the bedroom. Take a look at this. Got a nice headroom for the shower. I can turn around in here. Can boogie in here. Lots of room. Has a real medicine cabinet. And you also have storage here. Then storage right there. And you get the fantastic fan. You need that in here. You have two spaces for CPAP machines, stereos, or computers with plug-ins. And you have two hanging closets right here. And of course, you have the under bed storage. Ducted heat and AC. And again, you have those lights, those LED lights. And there's a mount right there for your television if you want to add a little television in here. All right, hey, my name is Anthony.Fuller, like the Fuller Brush guy. Give me a call, 541-653-2818, if you have any questions about any one of our brands. Thank you.